Let's take the next exercise in our book. Complete the given table by writing the number and number names. Complete the given table by writing the number and number names. So they are given one table. We want to complete this table by writing the number and number names. Okay. So for completing this table, they are given some beats. Okay. By using this beats, we going to complete this table. Let's see how to complete this. Okay, so 2 is done for you. First 2 is done for you. If you see this, you can get clear understanding. This is beats column and this is a number column. This is a number name column. Okay, the first thing is we want to count the given number of beat in each and every box. Okay, then we want to write that numeral number in number column, because here we have the title of number, so that's why we want to write the number in this column. Okay, next thing is we want to write the spelling for that numeral number in number name column, because here we have the title of number name. Okay, I clear this. Now enter the first one. So how many, see the first box, how many beats are you seeing here? We are seeing only one beat. Okay, so they are written 1 in the number column. In number name column, they are written spelling for that numeral number 1 here. That is O-N-E 1. Okay, O-N-E 1. Next, come to the next box. How many beats are you seeing here? You are seeing here 2 beats, that is 1 2. So there are 2 beats here, so they wrote 2 here. Next, here we want to write the number name for that numeral 2. Okay, so TWO2. This 2 thing is already done for you. Okay, now we can follow the same manner to complete all other boxes. Okay, now come to the third box. 1 2 3. We are having 3 beats here, so we want to write the numeral number 3 in that number column. Next, we want to write spelling for that number 3 here, THREE 3. We should write spelling for that number 3 in this box. ஓகே, ஏன்னா இங்கே தான் நம்ம நம்பர் நேம்னு இருக்குது, அதுக்கு நேராக தான் நம்ம ஸ்பெல்லிங் எழுதணும். நெக்ஸ்ட்டு 1 2 3 4 4, ஸோ FOUR 4 spelling. Next 1 2 3 4 5, so we are having 5 beats here, so write 5. Next, we want to write spelling for that numeral number 5 here, FIVE 5. I already wrote for you. ஓகே, நான் ஏற்கனவே உங்களுக்கு எழுதிட்டேன். So next, shall we count this box? 1 2 3 4 5 6. So how many beats here? There are 6 beats, so write the numeral number 6 here. Next, what do we want to do next? We want to write spelling for that number 6 here, that is SIX 6. This thing we have already learned in the first standard. Yes, we have already learned the number name from 1 to 100. If you do not know the number spelling for any numeral number, please go and study the number name first. After that, you can concentrate in your book exercises, because if you do not know spelling for any numbers, you can't do anything. Okay, so please read and write and practice with the number names. After that, you study the book exercises. Okay, next 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. So we are having 7 beats, so write the number 7 here. Next, we want to write spelling for 7, SEVEN 7. I already wrote. Next, so we want to count the number of beats in this box. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. So 8 beats are here, so we want to write the numeral number 8 in the number box. இதுக்கு நேராக இங்கே எழுதணும். நெக்ஸ்ட்டு, we want to write spelling for the number 8, EIGHT 8, EIGHT 8. Next, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. So how many bits here? 9 bits. There are 9 bits we are here. So we want to write number 9 in the number box. இதுக்கு நேரா 9 ன்னு எழுதணும். ஏன்னா இந்த இடத்துல தான் 9 bits we are having. So write the number in this box. Next immediately we should write the spelling for that numeral number 9. What is the spelling for 9? N-I-N-E, 9. Yes. Next come to the next box. First we can count the number of given bits. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. So we have 10 bits here, so write the numeral 10 here. Next we want to write spelling for that numeral number 10 here. T-E-N, 10. Okay, so next same manner we going to follow to this side. Okay, so first one is done for you, already done for you. So we can check 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11. So totally we have 9 beats. Totally we have 9 beats here. So they are written 11 in this number box. In number name box they are written the spelling for the number 11, that is E-L-E-V-E-N, 11. Okay, next பாருங்க. Can you do this in your own? Can you do this in your own? நீங்களா பண்ணுவீங்களா? Yes. So பாரு 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12. Here we have 10, here we have 2. So 10 plus 2 is 12. So totally we have 12 bits. So write the number 12 here. Next we want to write spelling for the numeral 12. T-W-E-L-V-E, 12. Next here we have 10, here we have 3. So totally we have 13 bits. I know already. So how many bits are given? So if you have doubt, you can clarify your doubt. Okay, so நீ கவுண்ட் பண்ணி உன்னோட டவுட்டை கிளாரிஃபை பண்ணிக்கோ. இங்கே 10 இருக்குது, இங்கே 3 இருக்குது. ஸோ டோட்டலி 13. ஸோ ரைட் த ஸ்பெல்லிங் ஹியர் T-H-I-R-T-E-E-N, 13. Okay, T-H-I-R-T-E-E-N, 13. If you do not, you can split that word 13. You can split the 13 into two words. That is 13. Because sometimes we do not know the spelling for any word. You can that time you can concentrate in your pronunciation. Okay, usually this thing we follow when we write a new word in English. Englishல ஏதாச்சும் ஒரு நியூ வேர்டை எழுதுறப்ப நம்ம இந்த மெத்தடை வந்து ஃபாலோ பண்ணுவோம். ஸோ அதாவது நம்மளோட சவுண்டு இந்த ப்ரொனன்சியேஷனில் வந்து கான்சன்ட்ரேட் பண்ணுவோம். இப்போ தர்னா வாட் ஆர் த லெட்டர்ஸ் ஆஃப் சவுண்ட் யூ ஆர் ஹியரிங் யா? தர். ஸோ தர்ன்றப்ப THIR, தர். டீன், TEEN. Here we are having this sound of letters. So okay, this method also you can follow to write the spelling for the numeral number. Okay, next here we have 10, here we have 4. So 14. So totally we have 14. So first we want to write for the spelling for 4. Next we want to write the spelling for teen. So 4 plus teen is 14. Next 15. So inge 10, inge 5. So totally 15. So F-I-F-T-E-N, 15. So sometimes here I want to say something for you. Many of you, while writing the spelling for 15, many of you, I noticed in previous class, many of you leave mistake. Many of you write like this, F-I-V-E-T-E-E-N, 15. This is not the spelling for 15. This is the actual spelling for 15. F-I-F-T-E-E-N, 15. But many of you leave the same mistake while you're writing this 15. Okay, this is wrong. This will be wrong. Okay, next here 10, here 6. So 16. So write the spelling for 16. The same thing you can follow for the remaining boxes. If you see the last box, here we have 10, here we have 10. So totally we have 20 seats. You can check. You can check with the first seat. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 20. So totally we have 20 beats here. So write the number 20 here. Next here we want to write spelling for that number, numeral number 20, because we have here the title of number name. So number name is spelling. Okay va? So 20 க்கு நம்ம spelling எழுதணும். That is TWENTY 20. Once again I repeat that spelling for 20, TWENTY 20. Are you clear this? Next you can see this, read and write the given number names. Read and write the given number names. This thing is given in page number 21. In your book page number 21, we have this one. Read and write the given number names. That is, first you want to read the number names for tens numbers. First you want to read the number names for tens numbers. That is the 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80 and 90. Okay, so the number name is given for tens form. The number name is given for tens forms. You want to read and write the number name in each and every boxes. Okay, so shall we start to write? Yes, here they are given 10 bits. So அவங்களே 10 ன்னு போட்டுட்டாங்க, அதுக்குரிய நம்பர் நேமும் எழுதிட்டாங்க. நம்பர் நேம் means they have written the spelling for that number 10 here, TEN. In this box we want to read and write that spelling 10 here. Okay, TEN 10. I already wrote those things. Okay, next here 10, here 10. So 2 tens we are having here. So 20. So spelling already given for us. So that is TWENTY. ஸோ அப்போ நீ என்ன செய்யணும், இங்கே என்ன சொல்லியிருக்காங்க, ரைட் த நம்பர் நேம். ரைட் த நம்பர் நேம்னா வி வாண்ட் டு ரைட் தட், வி வாண்ட் டு காப்பி தட் நம்பர் நேம் again in this box. So that is TWENTY. The same thing you can follow for all other boxes. Next, here 30, because here 10 bits, here 10 bits, here 10 bits. So totally 3 tens, up 30. So you can, if you have doubt, you can start with counting the first bit. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. So how many B's are given here? Totally 30. So they are written the number 30 here. Next they are already given the spelling for the number 30, THIRTY. Here our job is we have to write the spelling for 30 again in this box. The பார்த்து அப்படியே காப்பி அடிச்சு சொல்லிக்கிட்டே எழுதணும். So THIRTY 30. Next, இங்கே 40 bits are given. So they are written 40, the numeral number 40 here. Next they are written the spelling for the numeral number 40 here. So FORTY 40. See here, FORTY 40. So but many of you write spelling for 40 like this, FOURTY 40. This is not spelling for 40. This is the correct spelling for 40, FORTY 40. Okay va? This thing you should keep it in your mind. Okay va? இதை நீ நல்ல ஞாபகத்தில் வச்சுக்கோ. 40க்கு ஸ்பெல்லிங் என்னன்னா FORTY தான். Here U does not come. You put in that word will be wrong. Okay, so FORTY 40. So you want to tell and write the spelling in this box, FORTY 40. Ma'am, I already wrote. Okay, so இங்கே 50 bits we have, so they are written 50. இங்கே வந்து அவங்க 50 குரிய ஸ்பெல்லிங் எழுதியிருக்காங்க, FIFTY 50. So here you have to write spelling again for 50, FIFTY 50. Next, here they are given 60 bits, so written 16 number 60 here. Next, they wrote spelling for that numeral number 60 here, SIXTY 60. First they wrote spelling for 6, next they add with this two letter TY. So if we combine these two word, we get the spelling for 60, that is SIXTY 60. Okay va, அதை இங்கே எழுதிக்கோ. நெக்ஸ்ட் இங்கே 70 beats are given, so 70, write the number 70. Sorry, already they are given, you don't need to you don't want to write the number. Okay, here also they are given spelling for the numeral number 70, SEVENTY 70. இங்கே நம்ம என்ன செய்யணும், we want to write the spelling 70 again, SEVENTY 70. This thing is given for our practice. ஓகேவா, நம்மளோட ப்ராக்டிஸ்க்காக கொடுத்துருக்காங்க. ஸோ 80 beats are given, ஸோ 80 EIGHTY 80, EIGHTY 80. ஸோ இங்கே வந்து 90 beats are given, ஸோ 90 is the number 90 is given. இங்கே வந்து the spelling for 90 is given, NINETY 90. So here what do we want to write? We want to write the spelling for 90 again in this box. So tell and write. You should write, you should, when you write this box, you should read and write. Okay, so read பண்ணி தான் எழுதணும். So NINETY, NINETY. Okay, I understand this. Okay, if you read the number names for this tens form, it will be easy for you to write the other 2-digit numbers. Okay, இப்போ இதுக்குரிய நம்பர் நேமெல்லாம் நீ வந்து நல்லா படிச்சிட்டீங்கன்னா you can write easily for other 2-digit numbers. Okay, புரியுதா? Thank you.